Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn some useful shortcut keys which are very useful in your day-to-day life work. Okay, so let's start the session. The first one is duplicate object. Duplicate object. To do any selected duplicate, the shortcut key is Control plus D. Control plus D. Okay. Please look at the screen. Suppose here I write duplicate object and the same wording or same object I want here where I put my cursor. I will just press Ctrl plus D. Here you can see at my screen the system has duplicate the object. Again I want to do duplicate. Again I will put the cursor here and will press Ctrl plus D. Got it? So control plus D is for to duplicate any object, to create duplicate any object. Got it? Okay. Second one is show right click menu bar. Okay. To show right click menu bar, the shortcut key is Shift and F10. Okay. Here I will press Shift and F10. Shift and F10. Here you can see at my screen, system shows me the menu bar. Okay, where is the menu bar situated? Got it? Okay, great. Third one is display control menu. If you want to see control menu, you can do this thing easily by pressing the shortcut key Alt and space together. Okay, if you want to see display control menu, you need to just press Alt and space. Here I will press Alt and space. Here you can see the menu bar is open. Okay, great. Next one is insert new worksheet. Okay, if you want to do insert a new worksheet, you can do easily this thing by pressing the shortcut key shift and 11. Okay, if you will press shift and 11, you can see here the system has opened a new worksheet for me. Okay, I'm so sorry, it's not 11, it's F11. Okay, it's F11. Got it? Again I am showing all of you. If you want to insert a new worksheet with your current worksheet, you can do this thing easily by pressing the shortcut key is shift and F11. I will again press shift and F11. Here you can again see the system has opened a new worksheet for me. Got it, guys? Okay, great. And I hope this lesson will be very helpful to all of you. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also on my videos. And I will come back with a new subject to all of you. Till the time, bye bye, have a nice day. Thank you very much.